Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at some of the sample reports which are going to be made available with the new Analytics Center module. So we have done one thing over here is that we have created sample reports against AdventureWorks database, Northwind database, and Wide World Imports database. AdventureWorks database was a database maintained by Microsoft till 2012 or 2013. It has not been updated since then. Wide World Imports database is the one which is the one where they are making most of the investment. Similarly, there is Northwind database which was used for a lot of legacy reporting in the Microsoft platform. So we have created reports against all three of them so that if a customer is using any of these three for their sample reporting, they can quickly connect to their existing databases. So when you go to the reports, you would be able to import some of these reports for our beta cloud tenants. These are already added by default. So you're going to see 5 reports available under AdventureWorks. There are AdventureWorks company sales, sales overview, sales region comparison, sales territory report, and there is an HR dashboard data report. Under Northwind, there are a couple of reports around sales and the employee performance and product performance kind of reports. And under Wide World Imports, there are 5 reports as well. I'm going to drill down into each one of them just to show what capabilities are there. The main idea behind sample reports is so that you can use it for seeing what kind of features can be implemented, and you can refer to them to how that configuration was done. So let's look at the first report, which is AW company sales. So this one has a pivot table, but if you look at it, it has some advanced functionality. It has 2 level of columns which is going. So one is the year, and within year there are various quarters. And also on the category side, which is the cross reference row over here, it is a drill down. So you can have this kind of an experience built. So if you have such reporting requirement, you can refer to this report. And as you can see, it has added some kind of a header as well. On the next one, it shows some charts. It shows a combination chart which shows total sales and invoice per year. A sales by subcategory is a tree map. And then there is a pivot table which is total sales by category. The third one, it is a sales region comparison. It's a simple table. It's a pivot table, but instead of year, this time it is using a region. The next one, it is a drill down grid. It's not a pivot table, but you can drill down into individual regions. You can further drill down into the salesperson and his performance, and it shows the individual order numbers. The fifth one is an HR dashboard from an AdventureWorks, a table from which will be acting as a feeder to the HR dashboard. Some of these reports, like the one I was showing you till now, are supposed to be consumed independently, and some of them act as a feeder report for a dashboard. So this one is an example of a feeder report. It has some HR related charts, total number of employees, employees versus contractors, gender distribution, married versus single, number of employees per department, number of employees per shift, number of employees per job title, and number of employees by experience. I'm going to show this in a dashboard. Similarly, if I go to the Northwind reports, it is a Northwind trader database which is dealing with import and export, and over there or import and export of edible items. So there is obviously things like gross revenue, discounts, net revenue. So it is showing the health of your sales organization over there, revenue per quarter. So this again is a feeder report. It has all the charts mentioned over here, and I'm going to show this in a nice looking dashboard later on. And it has a map as well. So if you click on this map, you can drill down. So you can say, I want to drill down into the America region, and within America, how much is the revenue? So you can actually drill down. Similarly, if I go to the next one, this one shows another sort of report. It shows total orders versus growth revenue by month, average days to ship by a shipping company. So different chart types. This is a donut chart over here. top 5 products, bottom 5 products, and it has some advanced formatting going on as well. If it is below certain threshold, you show it in red. So you can, if you have those kind of requirements, you can refer to it. You can refer to it. This report on how to build such reports. Next, I'm going to go to the wide world import reports. The first report is buying group transaction summary report. Shows the buying group trend, buying group summary, top 10 largest transaction and top 10 smallest transactions. A more traditional report over here. Then the next one is customer payments by type. You can see where the customers are coming from: computer store, corporate, gift store, and you can drill down into some of these as well. And some of these charts support drill down. So if I clicked on those, the other charts got cross filtered as well. So you can look at this report if you had similar needs. The next one is customer transaction summary report. Again, I can drill down into this charts because it has multi-level configuration. And I can go back to the top level. So it shows customer transaction trends, top 5 customer summary, top 10 largest transaction and top 10 smallest transactions. The next one is a purchasing report. It shows the list of suppliers, transaction by suppliers, supplier order by year, total transactions. And the last one, the wide world import scenario, is that they deal with, they are a wholesaler and they deal with toys, packaging, material. But recently they have started dealing with edible material like chili chocolates, and they have trucks which are transporting that, and they want to monitor the temperature within those trucks. And this chart is showing you that. Next, if you go to the dashboard screen, there are 4 dashboards which are made available out of the box. The first dashboard is a human resources dashboard. It shows you the health of your HR organization. This is coming from the HR report I showed you previously. This is all being put on the nice looking dashboard over here. This is the Northwind dashboard. It shows you the health of your sales organization. So you see gross revenue, discounts, net revenue, total orders, quantity, average days to ship, revenue per quarter, discount per quarter, net revenue per quarter, discount per quarter over here, quantity per quarter, average days to ship by shipping company. So more of a dashboard for a sales manager, and it has a map as well. Then the next one is an employee dashboard. It shows you top 5 employees by order, who is performing the best in your sales organization, who is performing the worst, and title and employee level performance. So it's group based on title, and you can drill down. The last one is category and product dashboard. Top 5 products by orders, bottom 5 products by orders, which products are doing the best, and then the category and product level performance. Again, there is a drill down. You can drill down into each one of them and see the performance. So those are the sample reports which are available out of the box. There will be instructions on how customers can add it to their tenant. For the beta tenants, they are automatically added. Thanks a lot for your time.